come over to the controls, couldn't be easier. This thing is light as a feather. It's the lightest control box I've felt on an LED. Usually they weigh more than this. You can attach a battery to the back, and I'm pretty sure uniquely to GVM is when you attach the battery, you can also attach the pack to the bracket. So like if I have the mount here, I can put the bracket here and put the light pack there and get it off the stand completely, which is a nice feature. Another cool feature is I keep them set at 56K pretty much all the time, but they go hotter. You all right? Is it too bright for you?
No.
It's all right? Make sure. So they go all the way up to 68, so you can see that light gets more sort of, kind of purpley, and then you can come all the way down to 2700, so you get this amber tone. So I mean, you have a wider range than most of these lights have. And about to blow Bella's retinas out. So be aware, Bella, you might get your retinas blown out. Bella was kind enough to be in our shoot today. She's a great actress, and she's nice enough to shoot with us today in this tutorial. Say hello, Bella.
Hi.
And one of the cool things about this lights is, obviously it goes from 0 to 100, but you just tap it. Get ready. You tap it, and it takes you from 50, 75, 100, 0. So you can find your spot pretty easy. You just tap, tap, tap to the closest you want. For now, I'm going to keep this light around 33. So in this triangle configuration, it's awesome. We can talk about this another time. This is my own doing, but this is GVM's bracket because it's all metal. It's a nice turn, beautiful bracket here. Velcro things to keep the wire. Velcro attachments to keep the wire secure, which is awesome. I hang it here, run it down here. All right, one little thing, this could be a little longer, so I had to strap it to there just to make sure it wasn't dragging on the floor. This is the 3 feet by 1 feet, so 36 by 12. Kind of perfect. Another great feature, which I can show you another time, but you can take the softbox off, and it's got a zipper here, so it can zip to the other 36 by 12, so you can sort of double your field. So that's a cool feature. And so you can take, in other words, you take the softbox off, you connect the two lights, and you have your one power source, and then you have more landscape for 2 lights, and it's more economical, and it's really cool. So that's how I use it. We're going to do a shoot with Bella, so you'll see how it all works in action.